Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Late ako. Ay, late, di kuya. Late ako! Lama ka pa? Ay, wala ka pa. Nakaroon ka niya. Bye! Ay, kadugan.
Hindi na tayo mo, hindi si 55 talaga niya. Kung gumawa-upload ka na yung pasa mo, hindi na siya.
Huwag ka nang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago. Pag-ibig ko ay totoo. Ako ang iyong bangka.
Next week ka, pasa nyo, elevations, floor plan, sections, kagawa ka, protected. Thursday lang, sir. Hindi pwede, next week ka. Pwede, hindi ka? Okay, sir.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan.
Ay, mag-post na ako danay, Ay, kasabad ba ni siya, man? Ang record, shit. Yeah. Ate ko na ay natuyo na ko. Asa na naman? Gabi na gabi nakatay ko
Today, we are blessed to have these juries for our deliberation. Architect Frank Lloyd Wright and his twin brother Frank Lloyd Lev.
So this is a proposed provincial hospital in Bacolod City.
Ms. Camdo has just finished defending her thesis, and now we will take our break for judging. And everyone please get out. This proponent it is time.
Given research and study, and I agree that you did an exceptional job. But we will still see you again on your graduation.